Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? So in this video we are going to have a look at dark and light themes in Flutter. So to implement that, I'll be creating a new file in the lib. Let's name it theme mode.dart. Now under this file we'll import the material widget, and we'll be creating the two methods of type theme data. One is the light and other one is the dark. So for the light mode, write theme data, and let's say light mode. And for the light mode, I'll be taking the primary color to colors.red, and for the brightness.light. For the dark mode, I'll be taking the primary color as colors.green. Brightness.dark. So now we'll import these two methods to the main file. Here I will create a floating action button to switch the themes basically. And on the center of text it will change to the either you have selected the dark mode or the light mode. So for that we will return the material widget, and for the theme, import this theme mode file, and create a new bool variable to switch between the themes. By default I have made it to false. Okay, so we have done that. And home, under home, pass the scaffold widget, which will return the app bar having a title themes. Under the scaffold, return body with container, changes to center, and change it to ternary operator to switch between the text. Now I will implement the floating action button to switch between the themes. So for that, floating action button. Here I'll be implementing with floating action button.extended, which will enable me to add label and icons on the same side. So let's give it the icon. I'll be giving icon of bulb, and label. On the on press we will use the ternary operator. theme mode, set state, theme mode, and do this for the other one. So it's time to check our application. There is some error. Yes. So it's time to check our application. So as you can see, by default it is in the dark mode, and when I click, so it's enabled to light mode, and when I click again, it's enabled to dark mode. So that's all from this video. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more videos click the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.